Welcome everyone to my little trip to the beautiful village of Grasmere. Grasmere is a village in Westmoreland-on-Furness, Cumbria, England, in the centre of the Lake District and named after its adjacent lake. Grasmere is perhaps best known as the home of William Wordsworth, a place he once described as the most loveliest spot that man hath found. Set alongside Grasmere Lake, Grasmere is surrounded by a panorama of fells and mountains that provide the atmosphere so beloved of Wordsworth and the Romantic poets. With plenty of stone bridges for trolls to hide under, waterfall plunging into pools, and a mountain tarn surrounded by an amphitheatre of fells, this walk is truly spectacular. The walk starts in Grasmere, taking you out of the village through farmland and then follows Easdale Beck and then the aptly named Sourmilk Gill up to Easdale Tarn. At this point you can then choose to turn back the way you came for a slightly shorter 5-mile walk. However, for the more adventurous of those who prefer a circular walk, you can descend through farmland on the other side of the waterfall and beck. This way of descent is quite boggy, and although there are plenty of stepping stones, it is best avoided after heavy rain. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and why not subscribe to follow the adventures of Susie Scudo, the little micro camper.